What's good, everyone? It's your boy, Token Drew. We here with another edition of Packed and Unpacked, series where I pack a bowl and unpack some cools.
What you know about this?
And today, damn, almost had 100 of these. We have ourselves
We don't play them games.
a blind unboxing, baby. Yeah. So enjoy the music while I unbox this.
Say what you will. I know you hate.
Alright, before I get into it, I just want to make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Or check out some of the other videos. Like that one. I don't know which one I put up there. Alright, let's see who it is.
Distracted while they spread their lies. These eyes have seen the future. And it's a sight indeed. A nation under God. A nation on.
Alright. Oh, my box got all jacked up, but Super Saiyan Broly. Let's check him out.
Turn up, motherfucker, beast mode, I'ma go monster, nigga, revealing this armor, this nigga will harm you, what, ain't nobody ever warned y'all niggas, beast on the track, watch me bend my fangs, balls hang low like my dick got a chain.
Alright, so how does my first actual Super Saiyan Broly stack up? Well, let's switch sides and talk about it.
When I'm done saving rap hoes back to the flotilla, yeah, I'm at Mass Effect, see my Mass Effect is to pass these vents, beating them at their own, give me so lame, I'ma change your brain, spitting shit, adrenaline hits mixed with cocaine, go flame, nigga, I'ma go Nova, I told you, revolution, I'm a soldier, King Cobra, spitting venom, if you let him, I'ma blow up.
Alright, everybody, we're back. And here he is.
Fuck that, I'ma go fucking beast mode, leave those rap hoes.
Super Saiyan Broly, the Dragon Ball Super battle figure line. So before I get into detail, I first off want to make sure you guys, wait, I already talked about that. But I didn't say, shout out to the homie Karan Aurora and Saiyan Z. That's who I got this from. I actually pre-ordered him back in his conceptual stage when they just showed the gray sculpt of him. I pre-ordered him. So, hell yeah, let's talk about this guy. You know my categories by now. We're going to list them right here.
That a weaker man's back can't handle jack. The mode that I'm in is a motherfucking monster. I conquer your tracks, accident, and squander your life savings in a motherfucking minute. Y'all get it? I'm talking infinite. The ignorant ones be spending it. Worried about drumming, I'm mending it. Well, I'm finna hit.
So first off, under detail, this is a very detailed figure. You can see individual texture marks on his arm and everything, so that's pretty dope. His face looks really good. A couple paint imperfections in there, but we'll get to that later. However, his facial expression does fit, even with his eyes being all white. He doesn't have any effects, but he does have his ear of Ba that is kind of flowing. So overall, I'm gonna give his detail a 15. So let's talk about his base. His base is actually a good size, though it is that boring oval design that I can't stand. It is a bit thicker than the normal ones, and it is smaller, so I can really appreciate that. Also, the way that the pegs are on him seem very sturdy, so that's another good design. However, the base itself, you know, I mean, I don't know what else to expect. I have some characters with dope bases, with some colors on them, with some etching on them, something, and just, this is just meh to me. I'm only going to give it a 15. I really do like his pose because it is unique, it is character specific, it is dynamic. It's not really the most space efficient, so instead of 20, actually let's give this mug a 15. Now paint, here's where it's gonna get kind of ugly. Sorry. There's a bunch of paint imperfections. If I were to knock off 2 points out of 20 per paint imperfection, I'd knock off 10 points off rip. So I'm going to do that. So, though the color isn't bad, you know, it looks very good to the show. And it does have some decent shading. But I've seen so much better, not just from like the manga dimensions. I've seen things that don't have imperfections or that would do something special with the eyes, such as the Banpresto World Figure Coliseum collection or my Ultra Instinct, mastered Ultra Instinct version of Goku I have. So that being said, his paint's only going to get a 10 overall. His character accuracy, I'm going to give him a 20 for his character accuracy. He looks a lot like Broly. His expression is great. The sculpt is nice. His body, this is before he bulks up, so I mean, this is dope. You know, it's cool seeing this version of Broly like this. Overall, he's a dope figure. Dope is that bonus 3 points. I'm going to say my first impression of him, I give him the nod of approval. Another 3 points. So that brings his total up to 82. 82 is a B+. So this is definitely, I highly recommend it. He's a decent price, and it's dope to have a Super Saiyan Broly in the collection. So I'm going to take some pictures and do my outro and get about this bitch.
I told you, revolution, I'm a soldier. King Cobra, spitting venom, if you let him, I'ma blow up. Crack the toe, what, you like that? You want a mainstream flow? A nigga sold his soul for that mainstream gold. Fuck that, I'ma go fucking beast mode. Leave those back roads and the fucking explode. Let's go. No, you can't do it like me, nigga, go. I'm about to turn the bitch up. Beast, throw your blood up in the air, homie mode. We about to burn the bitch up. Go. No, you can't do it like me, nigga, go. I'm about to turn the bitch up. Beast, throw your blood up in the air, homie mode. We about to burn the bitch up. Get high, get drunk, get fly, get nuts. I'm finna go beast mode. Get played, get laid, haters get paid. I'm finna go beast mode. Head toss and proud, scream it loud. I'm finna go beast. What? I'm finna go beast mode. I'm finna go beast mode.
I'm a beast on the track, a lone cold soldier dressed in all black, with a chip on my shoulder caused by the fact that a weaker man's back can't handle jack. The mode that I'm in is a motherfucking monster. I conquer your tracks, accident, and squander your life savings in a motherfucking minute. Y'all get it? I'm talking infinite. The ignorant ones be spending it. Worried about drumming, I'm ending it. Well, I'm finna hit the fucking scene and I'm bending it like a fucking dream. Eyes open, I see y'all before me. Ladies get played, y'all fucking bore me.
What's up, everybody? We are back, and here he is. Super Saiyan Broly. I have him set up punching a Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta from the same line. However, this Gogeta is ugly as hell. And I will do a review on him over on my Instagram. Shameless plug, LOL. So yeah, he is a very interesting figure. You know, definitely worth that 81 points that he earned earlier. I like him. I don't really like the pose as far as it going to the side, very similar to that Broly over there. But it is still cool because he's throwing a punch and he's attacking, so I can make it seem cool, like right here, fighting off against this ugly Gogeta. So I highly recommend it. Find him while you can before he goes up in price. Until then, I'm your boy, Token Drew. Live up, smoke out, and game on. I'm out this bitch. Thanks for watching. Peace.
What you know about this? I'm cold as shit.